Let's not waste any time. You want to develop apps, but you're a complete beginner. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this course. This course will take you from zero app development experience to developing a tipping calculator app. And the craziest part is, you won't be coding or scripting, at least not traditionally. We will be using a software called GDevelop, which is normally used for game development, but it's an absolute gem of a software for creating beautiful and simple apps. What will you need to know before taking this course? How to use a computer and a mouse. That's about it. Now, what will this course teach you? This course will teach you the basics of GDevelop, the fundamentals of app development, how to apply mathematics in your apps, how to add functional UI to your app, and how to stylize your app. This course will not teach you how to save data, connecting to external databases and APIs, animations, or how to fly. But now that everything's out of the way, let's start the amazing journey of app development together.